Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
My voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, how was your quiz two exam?
It was good, sir.
Good, sir.
And what do you feel about the difficulty level or level of the exam?
Easy.
Okay, is it for everyone or?
Yes, sir, it wasn't that hard.
Okay, nice. So, actually, today's session is basically for the discussion of that quiz two paper. Okay, so we will discuss the questions of the quiz two papers of the quiz two, and one more thing. You got how you have to attempt the EMQ things, right, in the quiz exam. I mean, if your previous answer is correct, then for EMQ it's 0 marks. Otherwise, we will check your EMQ things only when your previous answer of the previous question is wrong. Okay. Okay, so
Okay,
yeah, this is the first question. So how many of you got the correct answer as 1/2?
Me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Me,
sir. Sir.
Okay, so you got the answer as 1/2. So what was the concept? I mean, which formula or which theory is applied here?
Combinations.
Which one?
Combination with selection.
Okay. How did you approach that one?
Sir, out of total blue and black shirts.
Means probability, sir. Sorry. Addition theorem I
Yeah.
approached. Sorry.
Okay. So here we can make events like
black shirt or a blue shirt.
okay. So we can make events like let's take A as a choosing, you can say, or selecting let's say yellow t-shirt, right? And
Yes, sir.
I can make event B as choosing blue t-shirt, right?
Yes, sir.
Also I can make event C as a choosing or selecting, you can say,
Black.
black t-shirt, right? Now
Yes, sir.
see, what is the question? Question is, what is the chance or probability that a black or a blue t-shirt is chosen by Ram for his outfit, right? That means I have to find the probability of B union C. Okay. So B union C. See, if you see, is there, is B and C are mutually exclusive or not?
Mutually exclusive.
Okay. B, because choosing a t-shirt is disjoint from choosing a black t-shirt, right? I mean, choosing a blue t-shirt is disjoint from choosing black t-shirt. So if A and B, two events are here, B and C are disjoint, then B intersection C will be 5, right? That means probability of B intersection C will be 0. Okay. That means by the addition theorem of probability, I can do probability of B plus probability of C. That means what is the probability of B? Choosing a blue t-shirt, right? That means in how many way I can, what is the probability for choosing a blue t-shirt?
2/12.
No, I'm asking about blue. 4/12.
4/12.
And for black, 2/12. Because in total we have 12 t-shirts, right? 6 yellow, 2 black, and 4 blue. So it will be 6/12. That is nothing but the 1/2, which is the correct answer. Okay, is that clear for everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah. See, can you tell me? See, in the second question, this in a hospital, 40% of the patients are male. It is known that the 15% of male patients are suffering from cancer and 10% of female patients are suffering from cancer. If a patient is selected randomly, then based on the given information, you have to answer these two questions. Second question is, what is the probability that the selected patient is suffering from cancer? So how did you approach this question?
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
we can take the total of 100 people, and from that 40 are male, 60 are female.
Okay.
Then out of 40, 15% of 40, that is, we have to take 15% of 40, and they are categorized as cancer patients. Similarly, out of 10% of 60%, 60 females, that is 6 people are diagnosed with cancer. So we can make a table for that, and from that, whatever the question is asking, we can conclude accordingly.
And we can apply a law of total probability if you see.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, please.
So by when will the answer transcripts be released? I mean, like available in the download section.
Sorry,
Answer transcript for the quiz, this quiz.
this one.
Yeah.
No, it's not released yet. It's a PDF which is generated by us.
Okay.
It will be released in due time on the portal. It will be there. No worry about it.
Okay. Thank you.
We are discussing the questions.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I know, sir. I know what.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in this, we can apply the law of total probability, right? See how. Suppose, see, there are 40% male, right? Then I can write probability of male is what? 40 divided by 100, right? So probability of female will be 60 divided by 100. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the question, it is said that it is known that 15% of male patients are suffering from cancer, right? That means it is given that patient is male, he is suffering from cancer. Is chance for person is male and he is suffering from cancer is how much? 15. Let me do on the new PDF. That will be. How I can let me do an example. Yeah, 1 minute, please. Yeah, see, in the question, probability of male was how much? Was 40%. That means 40 divided by 100, right? So I can write probability of female as 60 by 100. Is that okay? Now, in the question, if you see, it is given that 15% of male patients are suffering from cancer. So, given that patients are male, he is suffering from cancer, is probability is 15 by 100, right? Now, next line is 10% of female patients are suffering from cancer. That means patient is female and she is suffering from cancer is how much? 10%, right? Is that okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
question is, if a patient is selected randomly, then what is the probability the selected patient is suffering from cancer, right? So patient that is suffering from cancer, that means what we need to find a probability of C. C means cancer here. Okay. Are you getting my point? We need to find probability that patient is suffering from C. I mean suffering from cancer. So I can write it as patient is either male and he is suffering from cancer, or it can be probability of female and she is suffering from cancer, right? By law of total, I mean by multiplication rule, I can write probability of male into probability of C given M plus probability of female into probability of C given female. So probability of male is how much? 40 divided by 100 into probability of C given male is 15 divided by 100 plus probability of female is 60 by 100 into probability C given as 10 by 100. So it will be 600. That means 1200 divided by 10,000, right? Right? So 2 zeros will be cancelled out. So correct answer will be 0.1. Is that clear for everyone? I mean, you got the correct answer. I mean, you get this correct this answer, right? And
Yes,
you
sir.
can yeah, you can do like same things as I mean, by the T diagram. Yeah, yes, please.
I didn't apply any formula here only. Like
Yeah, you can see, you can do by the tree diagram. Suppose this is the male, this is the female, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay. See, it can, you can apply by different way. So how, what is percentage of male? 40%, right? So it will be 60%, right? You know, in T diagram, each branches should be, I mean, sum up to 1, right? So in the question 10, I think 10 or 15 it was. 15 are suffering from cancer. So this is male. So suffering from cancer or suffering from, I mean, not suffering from cancer, right? It can be 2 branches. Same for female, right? I can write now. So suffering from cancer is 15%. So now male who are not suffering from cancer will be 85%, right? Similarly for female, if it's 10%, so 90% female will be who are not suffering from the cancer. Now, question is, what is the probability that patient is suffering from cancer? That means this branch, right? Or this thing, right? That means 40 divided by 100 into 15 divided by 100 or 60 divided by 100 into 10 divided by 100. That means male and suffering from cancer, female and suffering from cancer. So again, you will get here 600 divided by 10,000 plus 600 divided by 10,000. It will be 12 divided by 100. That means 0.1. So which is same as this. Is that clear for everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I audible, right? Okay.
Yes,
So next question is, if the selected patient is suffering from cancer, then what is the probability that the patient is a female? So which theorem or which concept will be used here?
Base
I mean,
Base
what was your
theorem.
approach?
Base theorem.
Base theorem, right? So you, I mean, you were able to find which, I mean, when you have to use law of total probability, when you have to use base theorem, right?
yes.
Yeah. So question is, patient, selected patient is suffering from cancer, then what is the probability that patient is a female? So what is given to us? Given to us like patient is suffering from cancer, what is the probability that she is a, I mean, patient is a female, right? So we need to find this quantity. So I can write probability of female and cancer patient and divide by probability of cancer patient, right? I can write. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how can you find this quantity? These things by this branch, right? That means 60 divided by 100 into 10 divided by 100, and you know probability of C as 12 by 100. Okay. So here I will get 6 by 100 divided by 12 by 100 equal to, it will be 6 by 12, which will be 0.50. So is this clear for everyone?
Instead, you can, I tried this way. There are like 12 cancer patients among us, right? Of which 6 are men, 6 are women. So if you pick one, it's 50% probability that the person is a woman.
Yeah, that is another thing. Okay, you can approach like that. That's also correct approach. I mean, on the behalf of formula, you got how you can use the, I mean, how you can interpret with the things, I mean, formula and all things, and how you can put in the formula and how you will get the answer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, is that clear for everyone, right? Okay, so we need to move for the next question, right? Till this point, anybody have any doubt till question 3? Okay. So
No
in
doubts. No,
okay,
no doubts.
okay, yeah.
Sir, have you solved question 3?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have solved. Yeah, I have solved.
Just please.
Yeah, I solved on the jam board actually.
So please show the solution.
This one, right? See, this is the solution of question 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, here I have not enough space, so that's I did on Java. Yeah. In the question 4, how did you approach? Anybody? And you got the answer 13 or anything else?
13, sir.
13.
13. Okay. How did you approach?
5C2 plus 3C4 plus
5C2
plus 3C2.
plus 3C2. Okay. So what is the question? A boy went to bakery shop to purchase chocolates, right? If there are 5 dark chocolates and 3 milk chocolates, right? That means you have 5 dark chocolates and 3 milk chocolates, right? Of which 2 are to be purchased by him, right? So it will not, it will be, okay. Out of which 2 are to be purchased by him. So then in how many ways can it be done such that both of the purchased ones are either dark chocolate or milk chocolate? Okay. So I have to find, see, I have to purchase 2 chocolates. So question is, which 2 chocolates I have purchased? It should be either dark chocolate or it would be milk chocolate. Then suppose I choose, I purchase 2 dark chocolate. Then in how many way I can choose? Out of 5 dark chocolates, 2 chocolates I have to purchase. So in how many way I can purchase? 5C2, right?
5C2.
Or suppose there is 3 milk chocolates. Then in how many way I can purchase 2 chocolates out of 3 in 3C2 way, right? If you solve this, so 5C2 will be I think 10 plus 3C2 will be 3. It will give you answer as a 30. I think this is a very simple question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell me about EMQ. What will be the correct answers? What will be the correct options?
Selection simultaneously.
Okay.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Without replacement.
Without replacement. Okay.
Order does not
Order
matter.
does not matter. Combination is used.
Right. See, you have to choose the chocolate simultaneously, right? Without replacement, because in the question it is already mentioned, right? Okay. It's not mentioned, but kind of if you choose one chocolate, I mean, you have to purchase 2 chocolate, right? So it's not something with replacement at all. It's without replacement, right? So if it's without replacement and you have to choose, that means order does not matter, right? Suppose you have 5 dark chocolate, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Either I choose D3, D4 or I choose D4, D3. So both are same, right?
Right, sir.
Right. So what does it mean? That means order does not matter. And I have to choose out of 2 chocolates out of 5 chocolates, or I have to choose this thing. So my combination is used here. Okay, is that clear? EMQ things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what do you feel about? Yeah. Sorry. Someone is saying something. Okay. So how did you approach to this question?
So found all the 5 digits greater than 20,000, then the 6-digit number.
Okay. And
And
how many
added-
of you got the answer as a 480?
I got 1080.
I got 1000.
Sir, I got 480.
Okay. Fanitra Madhuri, you got 480, right?
Yes, sir. I got
Yes, sir.
482.
I got 482, sir.
Okay, 480, right?
Sir, I don't
Yes, sir.
remember the answer, but I think I got 100,000 in 1,000 because I computed greater than 30 means I've chosen 3 in the 5th place and then 6-digit numbers, excluding 0.
Yes. See, what is the question actually? See, how many numbers can we form using these digits which are greater than 20,000, right? So for being
Yes,
greater
sir.
than 20,000, okay. So let's take at the first, see how many digits for 20,000 we have 5 digits, right?
Five.
So 3, 3, 4, and 5. So at the first place, how many way we have?
4, sir.
Sujat, for question 5, it is simultaneous. It's not asking about about either dark chocolate or milk chocolate. It's just a question is about selection of chocolates. So you have to select 2 chocolates. So selection will be simultaneous. It's not about the event dark chocolate or milk chocolate. Is that clear, Sujat? Yeah. So for the first place, how many way we have? 4.
4 ways.
Because
4 digits,
I can
sir.
do
4 choices.
for being greater than 20,000, I can choose only 3, 5, 7, and 9. Right?
Yes, yes, sir. 4.
And for the second place,
5.
5.
Yeah.
Because see, we have 6 digits, but it's without repetition. So I can one thing is, I mean, 1 digit is used at the first place, so remaining 5. So at the third place, we have 4. For the second,
Yes, sir. 3.
3. And for the last, we have 2. So
Yes,
what
sir.
will be
It's
the
480,
answer?
you know.
It's
480,
a
no, sir.
480,
4
right?
into 5 into,
Okay.
Yeah, this
4 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, sir.
and
It's
add
a
the
480.
But
6
these are 5
numbers.
distinct numbers.
See, listen to me clearly. What I'm saying, what is the question? Question is asking about greater than
2,000. So
20,000.
20,000. Yes, sir.
So it's also possible 6-digit number also will be greater than 20,000. It's not asking about question how many 5-digit number we can form by the using the digits, this 6 digit, right?
Sir,
Question
if
is
we think in that way, then it can go up to even 10 digits, no, sir. 7 digit, 8 digits, 9 digits.
no. See. What is
Without
this?
repetition, na?
It's a without repetition.
Only 6
You
digits
just
are
have
given.
to.
So,
only
okay, let's
6
take let's take 6 digit. Okay, 3,
Ah.
4, 5, and 6, right? So at the first
Yes,
place,
sir.
how many numbers you can use for
5.
being greater
5.
than
5.
5, right?
Yes.
Because see, if it's 6-digit number, then suppose if at the first place it's 1, like you have 20,000, right? I can write 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 0, right? How many numbers? No, not 2
The
is there.
2 is not there, sir.
1, 3, 7, 5, 0, 9. Okay, so it is also greater than 20,000, right? So for the first place, how many ways we have? 5, right? For the second,
5 ways.
5 ways. For the third, 4
4,
ways. 3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
and 1. What will be the answer is for the
600.
600.
And
So-
the final answer is 600 plus 480.
yeah. So you have to add these things at this. That's it. 480
Yeah, I
plus
missed this
6.
one, sir. Okay.
Yeah. See, if the question is clearly how many 5 digits number can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition,
Then it
such
is
that number is
480.
greater, then it's 480. But it's asking about only the which is greater than 20,000. So it's possible, right? Which
Yes.
6-digit numbers also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, just tell me steps for the EMQ. What will be the steps?
1 and
How did we get 600?
4, 5,
600.
and 7.
One second. Someone is asking about 600. See, we can form 5-digit number greater than 20,000, in 480 ways, right?
Right.
But it's also possible. See, 6-digit number can be greater than 20,000, right?
Yes.
So that's why if you take into account, take into consideration 6-digit, that means, so at the first place I can choose any of the 5 digit except 0.
Yes.
And for the second place we have remaining 5 digit because one of these 5 digits is already used here. Okay, so I have 5 digit. Okay, then for the third place we have 4 digit. For the fourth place we have 3 digit. For the fifth place we have remaining 2 digit, and at the last we will have only 1. So if you multiply these things, you will get as a 600. So these things or this 480, you will get correct answer as a 1080. Is that clear?
Yes,
okay.
Sir. Yeah.
Now tell me the steps when that you will use to form the numbers greater than 20,000 using the given digits. So selection of digits will not occur simultaneously.
So one, sir, selection of digit.
Okay. And
Sir,
with
4.
replacement?
4.
Without replacement, right? And?
Sir, 5.
5.
Why 5?
Order matters.
Okay,
1, 3,
why
4,
order
5.
matters?
1, 3, 4, 5, 7 is different from 1, 4, 5, 3, 7.
Yes, that's why order is matter here. And we are doing the permutation.
Permutation,
because
sir,
order is-
7.
Order
7.
is matter. Okay? You got, I mean, you are getting the
So
concept
3
behind.
should not be there. Why have you written 3?
You have not chosen
3?
3, right? It is only I just gave some random number as an example. I did not.
Yeah,
form
it's
the
just a
using-
number, right? It's just a, okay, let's take this number. Okay. Okay, so tell me 135,790 is same as 153970. Both are different.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why order is matter.
Sir, just one question. Can you give me the example of not occurring simultaneously? I get confused sometimes.
Okay. See, occurring simultaneously means together things. I mean, one after the other. Means, suppose let's take this 5-digit number. Okay, you choose the number of ways for the first place. Okay, let's take A. Okay,
Yeah.
and after choosing A, you choose for B, right?
Yes.
And C, and for this place you have D, and for this place you have E, right? So you are doing the simultaneously these things and these things and this thing and this thing, right? When there are something or, then occurrence will be, I mean, order will be not simultaneous. Like in this example, okay? In this example, what be focus on the question is selection of chocolates to be purchased, okay? So here you have to purchase only 2 chocolates, right? That means
Yes.
you have to select 2 chocolates. So selection will be simultaneously, right? You select 1 chocolate and then you select the second chocolate, right? But suppose question is right, like you will choose, I mean, what steps you will choose for, I mean, for the event either dark chocolate or the milk chocolates. Then events are not simultaneous. It means you did for dark chocolates or you did for the milk chocolate.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, if it is one after the other, can we say that it is not simultaneous, sir?
No, if it's together one after the other means, see what meaning of one after the other. See,
Means
suppose
first selection of dark chocolate followed
and
by
then-
milk chocolate.
then it's simultaneous.
Then also simultaneous, sir. How?
Okay, suppose I'm saying you have to select 2 chocolates, right?
Okay.
Then I
Okay, sir.
said first chocolate will be dark and second will be milk.
Yes, sir.
Then tell me the steps, I mean, events simultaneous. So you have to select 2 chocolates, right? So I will choose dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or I can choose milk chocolate.
Or dark chocolate, yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I just realized that I calculated the probability for this problem, not the number of ways. I did 13 by 8C2.
13 by 8C2?
Yeah, I calculated the probability of selecting this one. So 13 is this one, right? 13 ways you can choose 2 chocolate, either dark or either milk. I did this thing. I added one more step and I got the answer wrong.
Okay, you calculated probability in the question.
Yes.
Okay. You did like 13 divided by 8C2, right?
Yeah.
No. Question is only how many.
I understand.
Ways.
My mistake. It's.
Yeah.
I should have.
Okay.
I was happy that I understood the question and then I started solving everything.
Sir, can you repeat that concept 480? That one, sir.
481.
Yeah, 600 I understood, sir. 480, sir. How come? So 480.
Okay, see. It's greater than 20,000. Okay, so first we have to consider, I mean, if it's greater than 20,000, so 20,000 number is of 5 digits, right? So we have to consider 5-digit number first. So at the first place, how many ways we have to put? 4 ways.
4.
Because if it's greater than 20,000, then I can put 3, 5, 7, or 9, right? Now, For the second place, I have 5 numbers, remaining 5 numbers, because one number, see, out of 3, 5, 7, 9, suppose 9 is used here, then we have remaining 5 numbers, right?
Right, sir.
I can use any of the 5 numbers, right?
Right.
So one number is used for the first place, one number is used, I mean, one digit is used for the first, and one digit is used for the second place. Now come to the third. Okay, out of 6, we have remaining 4.
4 digit number, then 3
And
digit, and then 2 digit.
Okay.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me about this question. What was your approach? Anybody? And what was your answer? Anybody?
Excuse me, sir, in the previous question, can the number not be 20130 or anything like that with the second digit being 0?
Can you repeat?
Sir, the sixth question, a number that is greater than 20,000. So could it be 20130? So the second digit would be 0.
20130, right?
Yeah, sir.
But repetition is not allowed here, you see.
Sir, fine. The last number can be 5 then. Yeah, repetition is not allowed.
Repetition is not allowed. And
Yes,
one more thing, in the given digits, 2 is not there. We have digits only 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. So
sir, I'm
for
taking the 4 places only and doing the permutation. I'm not including 2.
4 places.
After 2, there are 4 numbers, right?
Okay, you are fixing 2 and
Yes,
then
sir.
taking the 4. Okay. So if you see, repetition is not allowed here for the numbers.
We cannot fix 2, right?
And how can you fix 2? Okay.
So for the 4 places, I did 6 into 5 into 4 into 3.
But the first digit cannot be 2.
Because 2 is not there in the
list of numbers you have.
2 is not there also. And one more thing, if you are fixing, then what is the meaning? Then you are not, I mean, you cannot do the 3 at the first place. That is the meaning. If I'm not wrong. Suppose you are saying you are fixing the 2, right, at the first place and doing the for the remaining 4 digit, right? Then you will
so
get
6 into 5 into 4.
Okay. And into 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it will be 630, 30, 360, right? So see, what is meaning? Meaning, then you will get only numbers greater than 20,000 and up to this.
Yes, sir.
So that is non-meaning.
Then I added the other combinations as well.
But you should not add any from 20 to 20,000.
Okay. What was your, I mean, what was your answer? Hello.
Sir, I got the same answer.
1080.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But my approach was different.
Okay. Just tell me, how did you approach that one?
Sir, I fixed 4 places.
Okay.
And there are 4 numbers available.
Okay.
Sorry, 6 numbers available.
That means these things, right?
Yes, sir. And I subtracted 1 from this because all the it could be a possibility that 0 is there. So that number would not be greater than 20,000. It would be 20,000 only.
Okay. 359.
Yeah, sir. And then similarly, I did it for, instead of doing 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, I did 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Because it could be 30,000, 50,000, 70,000 like that.
Okay, you did these things, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, for 5-digit number.
Yes, sir. That's what.
Okay, it will be 480. No, not 480. 20, 120, 720, right? 30. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 6 factor is 720.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And again? You are,
Yes, sir. This is the answer I got. I didn't get a clean 1080 because I subtracted the 1 from there.
No, why you have subtracted 1?
Because you could get 0, 0, 0, 0 in all 4 places.
No. How you will get 0, 0 at 4th place? Because repetition is not allowed.
Sir, there is a major flaw in this because first of all, you can't take six digits, in this first 1,000 place 10,000 on 1 lakh because zero is also there.
Zero
And
is there, one is there.
No, see, actually, what she did two, she fixed two at the first place. Then for being greater than 20,000, then it can be, I mean, we can use six place.
The simple argument is for choosing anything, we must take everything in whole. How can you just make cases like that? Who is not given it?
Actually, first thing, if you, Samyukta, if you applied there, I think zero will not be, and minus will not be there because repetition is not allowed, right? If you already see, it's simple things. If you use six, any of the six, again, any of the five, any of the four, and any of the three.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Correct, sir. I should not have subtracted it.
Yeah, you should not the subtract, you will get the answer.
Yes,
And
sir.
one more thing, there is no need for fixing the two. You can do in a simple way, right? You have to form the 5-digit number, 5-digit number. So for the first place being greater than 2, in how many we can do? I can choose any 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. Simple, right? That
yes,
is
sir. I complicated it.
Yeah. Okay. So simply you can do for. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the 8th question. So how many of you got? What was your answer? Anybody have remembered?
We got 270, sir.
270. Okay, nice. That is the correct answer. What was your approach?
Just again, I
First,
calculated.
we have to go for what are the possibilities, sir?
Yeah, it's 2, 2, 2, 4, then
2, 3, 3.
2, 3, 3, then
3, 2, 3.
Okay, 1 second.
Just go for a tabular
can
form.
Can I erase this thing? You got the how to right? So that we can do this calculation here. It will be easy for us also. Along with the question. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, may I?
Yes, please.
See, here are the 3 sections, sir. A, B, C.
Okay.
Section A, there are 3 students.
Yes.
Section B, 4.
Okay.
And section C, 5.
5. Nice.
Yes, we have to go for selecting 8 students in total.
Yes, that is these things.
Yes, sir. And including at least 2 from each section.
Section, yes.
And at most 5 from the total from A and B.
A and B. And see, it will be like at least 2 from each. With the condition that in A and B,
total must be at most 5. At most 5.
At most 5.
Yeah,
yes, at most 5. It can be 4, but at most 5. But
at most 5. 2. Yes, sir. So first possibility is we can choose 2, 2, 4.
2, 2,
4.
That means total will be 8.
8.
And we have selected at least 2. At least 2
yes,
means it should be 2. Greater or equal to 2. It should be 2 and it can be greater than 2 also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Nice. And second should be
2, 3, 3. 3.
2, 3, 3.
3.
Again it become 8.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Again
3, 2, 3, sir.
3 to 3. Okay. So
yes,
these
sir.
are the possible cases.
3 ways. 3 possible.
Okay. We cannot do 3, 3, 2.
Yes,
because we cannot do 3, 3, 2 because from
this
the
at most
A
5.
And B,
yes,
it should be at most 5. But
at
if
most
you
5.
do 3, 3, 2, then it will be 6. So this
yes.
is not. This will not be
the case
which we need to consider. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so what will be the answer? Answer will be C. 2 to 4 means I can do.
It's 3C2 into 4C2.
4C2 into
5C4.
5C4. Right? It
Plus.
will be 3C2. I think it will be 3.
97.
4C2 6 into
5.
5. Right? Okay, it will be
90.
Yeah, 90.
90.
Right?
90. Yes, sir.
It's got too messy or it's clear for everyone. You got how you are getting how I'm writing these things, right? Or should I do on Jamboard?
No, it's fine.
It's fine,
think,
right?
Yeah. I think I did blunder. I just wanted to know, we need to multiply, right? Because occurring simultaneously.
Yeah, we have to do 8 things. We have to consider 8 students simultaneously. For this 8, we have 3 cases: this case, or this case, or this case.
You have
But
to
we
add,
are,
add.
yeah, for 8, you can do in this way, right? This
Yeah,
is the
right.
first way, or you can do in this way, or we can do in
The third way.
this.
I
Because we
did
have to.
I did all the like cases, everything is right, but the 3C2 multiplied by 4C2, instead of doing multiplication, I added, I thought it's independent. So I found
No,
3C2 plus 4C2
no,
plus
no,
5C4.
no.
And
You
then
are
I
getting,
added all 3 cases.
in total you have to choose 8, right? So
Yeah.
suppose you do, you did 3C2 or 4C2 or 5C4.
5C4.
So what is meaning of this? I mean, you are choosing 2,
Or
It's,
or 2
I'm
or
sorry.
4, not 8.
Correct. I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
it's okay. Concept should be clear. No worry about it. So similarly for this, what you can do,
3C2,
out of
3,
3, we have to choose 2, right? So again,
3C2,
3C2 into
4C3,
4C3 into
5C3, 5C3.
So what will be the answer? It will be, I think, again
3 into 4 into 10.
10. It will be
120.
120, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, it will be
120.
out of 3, we choose the 3. That means 3 into
4C2,
4C2 into
5C3.
5C3. That means
1
1
into
into 6 into 10, right?
60.
So 60. So here we need to add this 90 plus 120 plus
60.
So 90 plus 120 plus 60 will be
270.
I think, yeah, it will be 150 plus 150. Yeah, 270 is the correct. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move for the EMQ. So tell me what will be the answers. See, you will use for the selection of students from the given 3 sections. So simultaneous or not simultaneous?
Simultaneous, sir.
Simultaneous.
One, sir.
Why simultaneous? Because we have to, question is about selection of students, right? So we are selecting the students simultaneously. And how many students we are selecting? 8 students. Okay.
8.
What will be the next step? Next option?
Without replacement.
Without replacement.
Because it's the person, right?
Yes, sir.
And order
does not
matters.
matter.
Order doesn't
Order
matter,
does not
sir.
matter,
Combination
right?
is used.
And 8.
Combination is. Okay. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay. Come to this beats one. So tell me.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in this number, I did 7C5 into 5C3. For
Sorry?
first week
7C5
into 5C3 instead of bifurcation.
5C3
7C5 into
7C5
5C3
into
plus
okay.
3C2 multiplied by 4C2 multiplied by 5C2.
Okay.
So this came out as 300.
Okay. Anybody
Question.
wants to explain this one?
There is a condition, at least 2 students from each class.
Yes. And see, if you are considering 7C5 together, then you did not clear where I mean, how
We
many
may
students
choose
are
1
there?
from A and 4 from B.
It can be 4C1 into 5C4. It can be, right?
Yes.
And see, question is, from the total 7 students, you have to choose at most 5. So you have to consider these 3. No. 3C1, and you can do like this one, right? 3C1 into 4C4, right? So this is the now condition. Condition is failed here because we have to choose at least 2 also. Okay. So we have to consider these all possible cases. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now come to this beat question. How many of you got the answer 3360 and how many of got the answers 1680?
I got 1680, sir.
I got 3360.
Okay. 3360 people did n-1 factorial and 1680 people did n-1 factorial by 2. So
Yes.
tell me who is the correct.
I I got the
In
correct
case
answer.
of necklace, second
It's
position.
by 2, sir.
Yes. Okay. So in case of necklace, see, if you see necklace as a mirror image, necklace will look same to you. Right? See, what is the question first? Tell me, in how many ways necklace of 6 beads can be formed using 8 beads of different color? First, you have to form the necklace of 6 beads, not total of 8 beads. So first, you have to do 8p6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It will be 8p6 or 8c6.
Sir, 8p6.
So
Okay.
8c6.
8c6.
8c6 will be there.
So we will first choose 6
Sir, we
beads
have to
and then we will
choose
form the permutations of those 6.
Yes, see, what is the question? We have to form the necklace of 6 beads of 8, I mean, from the using the 8 beads. So you have 8 beads in total, right? You have to choose 6 beads and then after that you have to form the necklace, right? So first, what C6 and then I have to form. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Where I was C. First we need to select 6 beads out of 8 beads. So in how many ways we can do? In 8c6 way, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear for everyone or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
using these 6 beads, I have to form the necklace. So in how many ways I can do?
Is it a circular arrangement kind of a thing?
Yes. See, necklace is what? This is something, this necklace is kind of this.
Divide by 2 something here.
So it will be 6 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. So 8c6 will be 8 factorial, 6 factorial, 2 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 2. So if you do the calculation, it will be 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial will got cancel out. This 2 will be cancel out as 2. So 5 factorial is nothing but 120 into 2 into 7. So if you do 120 into 2 into 7, we will get the 1683. Is this clear for everyone?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
once what?
Once again, sir.
Yeah, see. Yeah, no, it's okay. See, what is the question? Question is, we have to form a necklace of 6 beads, right? By the using the 8 beads. So what is the future further step? You have to form the necklace of 6 beads, right?
Yes.
So for forming the necklace of 6 beads, we need to select the 6 beads first.
Yes.
In total, we have 8 beads. In how many way we can select the 6 beads? In 8c6 way.
Yes.
Okay. After selecting the 6 beads from 8 beads, in how many way I can form the necklace of 6 beads? 6 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Why 2? Because in necklace, if you see clockwise things and anti-clockwise things are same. Okay. Suppose you have a necklace. If you see as a mirror image, it will look same, right?
But here all the bits are different. So
okay, no, it's different. I agree. But if you see in the case of beads, suppose this is the beads, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose this is the one color. This is the second color. This is the third. I'm taking as a 4 only for now, right? Now, if you see as a mirror image of this, what will be the mirror image of this beads?
It's interchangeable.
This will be mirror image, okay?
Yes.
But necklace is same, right?
Yes.
Necklace is same. See, if you do clockwise of things, these things, you will get this. I mean, in the necklace case, see, necklace is actually a special case. In necklace case, anti-clockwise will become clockwise, and clockwise will become anti-clockwise if you see in the mirror image. But in case of person, arrangement will be different, because persons are different things, not kind of same things, right? But necklace will look same if you see in the mirror image, or if you flip the necklace.
Okay, I just translated with the normal sitting arrangement only, and that's the reason I got confused.
No, see, persons are different thing.
Okay.
Persons are different. Suppose you have a okay, one second. Here is, suppose this is a Sumit, right?
Yeah.
This is a Suresh. So, okay, this is one arrangement. If you reverse thing, then what you have to do? You have to say, Sumit, I mean, leave your chair and go to at the place of Suresh, and Suresh, leave your chair, go to the place of Sumit. Then arrangement will be different, because these are the persons. In case of necklace, if you see as a mirror image, or if you flip, then you will get the same necklace, right?
Yeah, I got. Like black is coming between these blue or red.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Just try to imagine as a mirror image. Okay. If you see, if you visualize as a mirror image, you will get how it's divided.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Is this
you.
clear? Is this clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so tell me about the steps. See, steps is necklace after choosing the 6 beads from 8 beads. So what will be the steps?
Simultaneous.
Simultaneous. Okay. Again?
Without replacement.
Without replacement. Okay.
Order doesn't matter.
Order does not matter.
Order matter.
One is saying order matter, one is saying order doesn't
So,
matter.
order matters, sir.
Okay. And permutation.
Combination.
Sorry?
Permutation.
Permutation is used.
Yeah. Why not combination?
Because here we are arranging.
You are arranging. And question is what? Steps that you will use to form necklace, right?
Yes,
if a question is, see, here in the question we have also do a one step. We had selected the 6 bits. If question is you the steps you will use to select the 6 bits out of 8 bits, then combination will be used, because we have to select the 6 bits out of 8 bits. But in the question it is clearly mentioned, after choosing the 6 bits from 8 bits, which steps you will use to form the necklace. Okay. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many of you
sir,
did...
why it is not, sir? Why it is not order matters, sir?
See,
it is only beat, no, sir, whatever it is.
No, you are doing circular permutation.
Yes, sir.
When you have to use permutation?
Order matters, yes, sir.
That's it.
No, I'm asking why the order matter here, sir, because it's a circular necklace, means it is in form of circle. So order doesn't matter in the circle. Wherever if we see, it will be reflecting the same.
Okay.
So
okay,
I meant it is order doesn't matter for this.
No. Anybody who said order matters wants to explain?
So different colors are there.
Since it is circular, right? Since it is circular, order should not matter.
No, order. See, what is the meaning of order? See, if you suppose this is the blue color necklace, right? Suppose this is a green, this is blue, this is the red, and this is the yellow, right?
Yes.
Suppose this is the your one arrangement. Suppose I open the necklace, I change the sequence of necklace. Sequence of necklace means I did
position shouldn't change, sir.
Green, and I yellow, and I did red, and I replace the sequence of these things. So this will be same or not?
No, this is not
Are you
same.
getting my point? This is not same, right? Because
why
I
order
change the
matters.
sequence. If you see, if you see mirror image of this, then in this case, this is the different thing. If you see mirror image of this thing, you will get the same. But I change the sequence of these two, right?
Okay.
So order is matter. Okay, see, when you are using permutation, order is matter. So forget about it. Now you are getting why order is matter?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir. I thought simply by circle it is not order doesn't matter,
No. Order
by
matters means
using colors we have to. Okay, sir.
Suppose I change the sequence. I change the order of two necklace, two beads. Sorry, two beads. Then I got the different order, right?
Yes, sir.
For this different order, I will see the same necklace. For this order, I will see the same necklace, but this order is different from the.
Yes, sir. Now here order means choosing the color, right, sir? And the order in the sequence of the color, not the circle range, right, sir? Here, that's why you are saying that its order matters.
Yes, see, order. See, you are doing the circular things, right? Then you got these things is different from these things, right?
Yeah, I got these two things, sir.
I'm doing in the case of person. Suppose there are 4 person, right? A, B, C, D. Okay.
Yeah.
Then arrangement of A, B, C, D is same as arrangement of A, C, B, D.
No.
That means you change the sequence of C and B and B and C. I mean. Okay.
Yes, I got that. Here the order matters sequence. We are meaning the sequence.
Yes,
okay,
yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Is that clear? No.
Arrangement of arrangement of items in a particular order, sir. For example, if what for example number 1 position given to one bead, then it has to be in a number 1 position, because after if you remove this number 1 position, then the sequence will be disturbed, sir.
Sequence will be disturbance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's clear for everyone now till now. Okay. Now come to the next question. So what is the correct option this question? I mean, how many of you?
2200.
2200.
2200.
Yeah.
Okay.
2200.
Okay.
So I got 175.
Okay. This is okay.
Sir, same. I also got, sir, 175.
Okay, but I think correct answer is 2200. Okay, I will tell what was your mistake. Okay, so I think paper was too easy, right?
Paper was easy. I did a couple of silly mistakes. It's not
too much complicated.
Yeah, I calculate the probability when it was not asked. So
okay. No worry about that. Okay, so what we are given that mean and population is given that as a 19 and 49 of 10 observations, right? I mean x1 to x1, x2 up to x10, right? Just me write on the example. So I'm writing as x bar is given as 19 and population variance is given to as 49, right? Now, if the value of summation I is equal to 1 to 6 xi square is 1900, then what is the value of summation xi square? I mean, summation of I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square. So we are given that summation I is equal to 6 to 10 xi square as 1900. Question is summation I equal to 1 to 5 xi square. See, first question is, by giving only this two quantity, how we will approach to getting this kind of terms. So what was your approach?
Sir, we can expand standard deviation population variance formula.
Okay, nice. Okay, so formula is summation xi minus x bar
whole square,
right? Instead of 10 I'm writing 10. Okay, 1 upon 10. So can I write summation I is equal to 1 to 10 xi square plus x bar square minus 2 times of xi into x bar, right? Now I can write 1 by 10 summation I is equal to 1 to 10 xi square plus summation I equal to 1 to 10 x bar square minus 2 x bar summation I is equal to 1 to 10 xi, right? I mean, till this one it's clear. We have done these things a lot of times.
Yes, sir.
You are getting okay. Now just tell me if you are not getting concept at any steps. So it will be summation xi square. So can I write as 10 times of x bar square?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 times of x bar into, can I write this as 10 times of x bar? Because x bar is what? 1 upon 10. Summation
sir.
I is equal to 1 to 10 xi. So summation of xi can be written as 10 times of x bar. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, next step will be 1 by 10 summation of xi square plus 10x bar square minus, I can do 2 times of 10x bar square, right? That means 2 times of, I can write 20x bar square, right? So 1 upon 10 summation of xi square minus 10 x bar square, right? So I get this one, right? And if you remember, if you remember the things directly, 1 by n summation of xi square minus n times of x bar square after expansion of the sigma square, then we can put directly 1 by 10 summation xi square. Instead of n, we have 10 and x bar square. Okay. Is this clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I can do 10 times of sigma square, right? Equal to summation I equal to 1 to 10 xi square minus 10 times of x bar we are given to you 19. Okay, that means 19 square. Now sigma square is given as 49, so just put the value of 49. Now I can split these things. Summation I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square plus summation I equal to 6 to 10 xi square, right or not?
Yes.
See, this is 1 to 10. I can do 1 to 5 plus 6 to 10, right? And 19 square will be 361. So multiplied by 10, 10 into 361, it will be 3610.
Yes, sir.
Now,
And value of 10 summation
it will be 419. So
one-
can
one-
I transfer to right hand side?
Yes, sir.
Now,
we can take the value of 10 summation also, 1900. Sir.
Yes.
1900.
Yeah, we have value of summation 6 to 10 as 1900.
1900.
Yes, sir.
So summation I is equal to 1 to 5 plus
xi square.
xi square plus 1900.
1900 also we can
10.
take to no left hand side we
No,
can
left hand side I'm telling, sir.
already 3610
Yeah,
is there, sir.
yeah, minus 1900, sir. It will going to be minus
Which
1900.
one? Which one?
3610 already we
Okay.
send it to the
Yeah.
Sorry. Got it. Now it's correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we can do, it's 490 equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square plus
1900 minus
3610. Okay. So 1900 minus 3610 will be 710, right? Or let's transform all this quantity to left hand side. So it will be 490 minus 1900 plus
3610
equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 5 xi square, right? So
Yes,
just
sir.
Do this. It's 2200.
2200, sir.
It will be 2200 equal to summation I equal to 1 to 5 xi square. So this is the correct solution. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, that is the very easy one also. If an analyst wants to categorize,
ordinal,
so it's clearly
ordinal, sir.
Not happy, then very happy, right? So
yes, sir.
ordinal, because here this is something which is categorical things, because satisfaction level
and
is
it's ordered,
and its order means I can do like not happy, then happy,
very
and
happy,
then very happy, or I can do like order very happy, happy, not happy, means order is there, right? So ordinal scale of measurement will be used. So B is the correct answer.
Sir, at first I take, sir, nominal, sir. The last moment I changed, sir, to ordinary, sir.
This one.
Yeah.
So why nominal? It's directly order is there, right?
I thought, sir, actually, sir, we are thinking at the IIT level, but we didn't expect that.
It happens, sir, in the exam.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, this, I mean, this much level, I mean, this much easy question will not come in the IIT exam.
If it is that much easy, we have to think twice, sir.
Because, sir, in my mind, sir, many things going on, like numerical or integer or something like, I mean, whatever we have read in like previous classes, right? So it could be under, it will come nominal because not happy, because it is not numerical sum given, right? Number is given. So I thought it maybe it will be nominal.
No. Yeah, nominal and ordinal, you have to use for categorical, right?
Categorical data, yes.
Yeah, but nominal is what where you cannot order, like kind of female, male, okay, blood group, like A positive, B positive. You cannot say A positive blood group is greater than B positive, kind of, right? You cannot order that. But here you can order not happy, then very happy, right?
True,
so I can see, suppose you have 3 category, not happy category, then you have 2 happy category, then you have very happy category. Okay, so you can order. Is this clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, so this question is also again very easy one. I think, what is the correct answer?
B.
It's 1 by 2.
It's 1 by 2.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 2.
1 by 4, sir.
Someone is saying 1
1
by
by
4.
4.
Someone is saying
1 by 4.
Who said 1 by 2?
No.
Nobody?
Yes,
Even
sir.
I got 2 by 9, sir.
2 by 9.
Yes, sir.
How did you approach this question?
9 by 3.
Actually, sir, we throw dice twice, no, sir. So the total sample space is 36, I meant.
36, okay.
And the probability of getting 2 numbers whose product is odd. So I thought 1, 1 and 1, 3, 3, 1 and 1, 5, like that I did, sir.
Okay.
The total number came, 1 second, sir. I can have the paper also with me.
Then you did 8 by 36? No.
Not 8, sir. It is the fraction is somewhat like 2 by 9, sir.
No, actually 2 by 9 is not the correct answer.
Yes, sir. I saw, sir, today with the answers.
Actually, I put this 2 by 9.
So what is wrong in my approach, sir? I don't know actually.
Okay, let's see.
Your approach was correct, but somehow
you counted the wrong. I mean,
okay. Our thing is product should be odd, no, sir? Okay, sir. You just carry on. I will just catch up, sir. Wherever
I think you did like only odd one. You might do. Okay, let's proceed. We will see. Okay, now a fair dice thrown twice independent, then what is the probability of getting 2 numbers whose product is odd? So what is the condition when you will get the product of 2 numbers as an odd number?
Both the numbers are odd.
Both the numbers should be odd. So if you throw a die independently twice, then what will be the sample space? 1 1
by
1 2 up to 1 6. Similarly 2 1.
Sir, 2 is not odd, no, sir.
No. I'm writing
total possibilities.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it's a 6 6, right? So this, I mean, this is my sample space. This is the 36, right? So 36 is the total number of cases, right? Now come to the point. 1 second. For question 1, its answer was, I think, 1 by 2. Asif. For more clarification of the solution, you can rewatch the lecture video. Okay, so for getting the product odd, so our possible cases will be 1 1 1 3 1 5 3 1 3 3 3 5.
Yes, sir.
5 1 5 3
5 4.
Okay, so these 9 cases are only whose product will be odd. So 9 by 36, that means 1 by 4. I think you did you have done some like one, you count the 6 for one.
No, even I counted these also same, sir. Maybe I did some calculation wrong, yes, sir.
Yeah, it might be.
So we can also do like you need to get odd in both. So probability of getting odd is 1/2, and for 2 it will be 1/2 into 1/2.
Can you repeat?
So in both the roles, we need to get an odd number. So the probability of getting an odd in a roll of die is 1/2.
Is 3/6. Yeah, 1/2.
And so we need two odd numbers in 2 rows. So it would be 1/2 into 1/2.
Yeah, that is also correct approach.
Sir, I
Because if
think the first die shows an odd number in 3 ways.
See, if you roll a die, then you will get answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of those, 3 are even and 3 are odd.
Yes, sir.
So see, for getting any of the output, you have probability of 1/6, right? So for these 6 outputs, for getting odd numbers, you have 3/6 probability. Out of those 6, you have 3 odd number. That means 1/2. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I missed this 5,5, sir. I calculated only up to 5,3. That's why, sir.
Okay, you did 8/36, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's why it is 2 by.
Actually,
okay,
in the exam, if options are there, then it is also some. I mean, if you did a mistake, then you can get this answer. You can get this answer also. You can get this.
Oh, mostly like type of careless mistakes, sir.
Yeah. So options are such kind. So.
Okay, I
So
got
this
it,
is
sir.
the last question. Again, it's easy one. Which of the following statements are incorrect? So number of road accidents in a month is a numeric and continuous variable. So this one is correct or not?
No, it is not correct. It should be discrete.
It should be discrete because number of road accidents something you can count. 1 accident, 2 accident, 10 accidents, 10 accidents, right? Now, age of a student in years is in a class is numeric and continuous. So this is the correct.
So how is this correct? So age in years is always discrete, na? Because it is written in years. So it will be
we can say 2 years, 2 months also, no. So
but it is
2.2 like that.
It is written the age is in years.
Okay, so tell me. Suppose you are measuring the age in years, first thing. Okay.
So it should be like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years.
Okay. So what is your currently age? Just tell me.
Sorry.
What is your age?
19.
19, right? So it's not exact 19. It can be like 19 year, 2 months.
That's what.
Yes, sir. But it is
1 day and 2 minutes.
Correct, sir. But it is written age of a student in years. It's specifically mentioned in years. So like it should be discrete.
So in general, okay. In general, no, not a discrete. In general, you will say my age is 19 year. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose I saying my age is 32 year. Okay. Suppose someone age is 45 year, but it's not about exact. But age is something which you can measure, right? Measure it years. Suppose this.
But sir,
but this is incorrect, sir.
Age is continuous, but age in years is not continuous. Age in years is discrete. Age is continuous.
We can write months in years. Then, if we do, then we come like 19.1 something years. Then it is.
No. Then in that case, I think we should not give the hint of like in years in a bracket. Then we could have thought of like month, year, or date, everything.
If it was given age of a student, then it would be clear that it is continuous.
Correct.
It was specifically mentioned in years. That is why I chose this to be incorrect, because in years will always be discrete.
Right. I also did the same thing.
Me too, sir.
No. Age is not even discrete actually.
Sir, age is not discrete, but age in years is discrete.
Okay, you got the confused from this point,
correct?
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, not at all. Actually, concept. I mean, fundamental behind that is this one about it
And
can take any. It can take any value like 90. See. It can take any like 19.3 years. It can take value, right? It's not about 19 years or 20 years. So it can be like 20.3 or 20.5 years, right? So meaning of this, it can take any values, and you are measuring the age in years. So that's why it's a continuous. You are getting, I mean, my points. You can also write 19.5 years or not. You can also write 19.2 years, right?
Yes, sir.
You can also write 19.8 years, right?
Yes, sir,
So
but you
it's
specifically mentioned, that is why I thought of that in that way. And
okay,
plus,
let's
this results like it, I won't get any of the 3 marks. Like even if I get one wrong, then I lose all the 3 marks.
No. Archit, listen to what I'm saying. Suppose your age is, you can say like 19.3 years, right? You can say or
Right.
not.
I agree, but like this is due to the ambiguity in the question, right? The things were not specifically mentioned. Whatever was mentioned according to that.
Okay. Suppose let's focus on the with years. So you can write 19.3 years or not. Just tell me.
So that is the case. That is what I'm saying. It depends on the data, right? So in any day-to-day scenario, you will never write 19.3 years. You will always write 19 years, 32 years, 45 years, anything like that. You will never say 19.3, 4, 5, 6 years.
So for insurance, they take it that way only.
And
even for CBSE exams and all, we used to write only for board exams. We used to write with months.
Yeah, some maximum places, I think, if you fill the form and all, they write this year, this month, and I mean 2 days, 3 days, or whatever.
But sir, there they don't mention in years only, right?
Yes.
Junior KG admissions also
right.
it is there.
Okay, so suppose just tell me.
If you are not mentioned in years, right, then the argument stands. Okay, when you say years, we don't say 19.3 years. We say 19 years. The completed one is the only one which gets said.
Exactly.
Okay. But
point 3 is also year.
This is, I can also say, right, 19.3 years, 20.3 years.
0.3 is definitely wrong, because 0.3 is 3 by 10. It's not 19 years and 3 months. That's people are saying it wrong.
Yeah.
So if it is 19 years and 3 months, it should be 19.25 years.
I'm not writing 3 months as a 0.3. I'm converting 3 months in years, then adding.
So even if you are converting 3 months into years, it should be 3 by 12, which is 0.25. It is 19.25 years.
Okay, it will
if
be
you write
19.25 years.
Yes, but we don't write that. We either write 19 years, 3 months, or 19 years.
Okay.
But we can.
Okay, got it.
If you write 19.3, then it is completely wrong.
In case of age, we use decimal point to just as a comma, like sign of comma. So 19.3, we just consider that, okay, 19 years, 3 months kind of. It's not the real meaning of decimal we use there, but
okay.
Yeah, point is like if anything.
Yeah,
is
we got it. I got it. I mean,
yeah.
your point is if not in there here, then it's in general right. It's numerical and continuous.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, we will look into it. No worry about that. Okay. Okay, so and try to think about this also. I got your
yes, I consider your fact also, but again, this is ambiguity. The details were not mentioned. Whatever was mentioned according to that, I think it should be discrete variable, because it was specifically mentioned in years. If it was written like in years, but it can also be, it can account for months, it can be decimal, then I would have chosen continuous.
Yeah, but if you see by this point 19.25 years, it will be continuous, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
so
okay.
Like, for this example, it is continuous. So
yeah, we will look into it. No worry about that. Okay. Yeah, we will check. Okay. So next is number of languages spoken by an individual is a numerical and discrete. So this is
correct. So
correct, but for this is, I mean,
yes. So yeah.
I mean, for this question, this is not correct. These two. Okay. And speed of a car is a numerical and discrete variable.
No, so it is continuous variable. So
why continuous?
So speed can be like, again, 10.5, 10.3, 10.
I can also 20 kilometer per hour.
No, but you never said it as speed of car in kilometers. If you are given in kilometers per hour, then it becomes discrete. So 20 kilometers per hour, 21 kilometers per hour.
Yes,
since you do not put in kilometers.
No, you are getting it. If I'm also saying it's a 20 kilometer per hour, then
so speed is being measured. It is being measured, so it is continuous.
Why it's continuous is what? Which you cannot count. You can measure. right? So here speed I am measuring in kilometer per hour. See, suppose height of a person. So height you can count. No, you can measure, right? Weight of a person you can measure. You cannot count. So that's
if
a
you measure,
similarly
it is
age.
continuous. Okay, okay.
Talk about age. So age you can measure in year. I'm not saying you have to count the age of students. You have to find the age. So age you can measure in years, right? So number of road accidents.
But
you
if you use, say, let's say we are using the Excel function and years. Okay, let's say in the Excel, if you say years, it will give you the years. It will not. Let's say you input the date of birth and use the year function in Excel. It will give you a distinct number. It's not going to give you a this number. Let me try that in Excel and.
Okay. Now you are getting the why this is continuous. This kilometer per hour things.
Oh yeah.
Okay. If you are measuring, then it's a continuous, right?
So for age, you can do both. You can count and you can as well as measure. So like if you're counting, then it will be like discrete. When you count the age, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you will measure the age, then it can consider like 19.5, 19.3.
That's right.
So,
okay, we will look into that.
Sir, but age can take any numeric value between two intervals. Between 9 and 10, it can take 9.5. That's why it's a content. It's a yes, sir.
Suppose
continuous variable.
Suppose let's assume class of students is of 10th class students, right? Let's assume. So normally 10th student class of lower, I mean minimum age can be how many? What will be minimum age? It will be around, let's take 13 years, right? And maximum age, let's take as a 20 years for that 10th class students, right? So age of students, it can take any value between these two intervals, if you see, and you are measuring in years, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it's a continuous and numeric.
So, but here they have mentioned in years. So the confusion is because of this bracket, sir. Otherwise, we all know that age is a continuous variable. There is
okay,
no
suppose
issue with
okay,
that.
let me clarify this. Suppose lower age is 13 years and 20 maximum is 20 years, right? For that particular class. I mean, suppose there is a class of students of class 10, then it might be maximum age, let's assume it's 20 years. Then suppose I say select a students, let's say age. What is the age of that age? So it can be anything between these two.
Yes, sir.
It can be anything between these two, right? And we are measuring in years also. See, one more important thing. Try to think, if you are doing the measurement, okay, not counting, then it's a continuous. If you are doing the counting, then it will be this thing. Is that clear? These things?
Yes, sir.
I mean, see, speed of a car is clear, right? You can measure in kilometer per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
is it clear for everyone? I mean, hope you got okay. And one more thing, we will look into it. Okay, no worry about that. We will clarify. Okay. Meanwhile, everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it for everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
hope
sir.
you are able to do the paper in I mean within time. I think.
Yes, sir. It was.
How much time it will take?
It was one of the easier papers.
Yes, sir. Question was the easiest one. Yes.
And okay, you are.
I cannot complain about this paper.
It's about. Okay, you are. You might be worried about like it's week 5 to week 8. Then it might difficult something, which we are facing in graded assignment, practice assignment, and all. So okay, we were saying. Yeah. Yes.
Quick question. When will we have the session for solve with us for statistics for the next week assignment? Next Tuesday?
Week 10, right? Yeah. Next Tuesday is the 20 is the, I think, last due date of deadline. Then Tuesday. Yeah, I think it's in calendar. You can check.
Okay.
It's in calendar. Yeah, it's in calendar, so you can check.
And sir, when will the result be out for quiz 2?
I think within 1 or 2 days.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so any one of you have any doubt regarding anything?
Sir, when this is for a CT quiz too.
I mean, I'm not aware about CT results actually.
Sir,
Okay, I think every qualifier paper will results will be out in within 1 or 2 days maximum. I think max to max it will be 2 days.
So discussion for max, sir.
Discussion for?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, math, sir. Math 1, I'm asking.
Okay. For maths, so you can ask with maths course instructors actually.
Okay.
If they have planned sessions, then they will
Sir, if one permutation combination question is wrong, then how much we awarded for EMQ? How much marks will we get?
I think I have to check graded criteria. Actually, I forgot about the graded criteria. But you will get some marks if your previous question is wrong. Accordingly, steps you will get.
Suppose if it is 3 number or 4 number, how it is calculated?
Actually, I have to check. Deepa, I have to check the graded. Actually, I forgot the graded criteria for the EMQ. Okay, but you will get some marks. You will get some marks.
As far as I know, the Ishan sir, a day before exam, he's told us, I think it's 1/3 of the question.
1/3, right?
Yeah, 1/3. If you got all options correct of EMQ, then you will get 1/3 marks of that question for that permutation and combination, whatever the marks would be that question.
Yeah, then that it will be. Actually, I forgot about the criteria. I think this will be. If his answer has explained, then
it was an on-demand session a day before the paper.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Sir, final and sir quiz marks, total marks calculated 80%, sir. Out of 100, it will calculate as 80%. So what is the weightage of sir quiz marks, sir? In
quiz
that
marks,
80%?
I think I have to check with the graded. Will I forget the things?
There is 2 formula. If you give one, both the quiz.
You can check on the portal. There is a graded pattern.
Sir, I have checked, sir. That's what I'm saying, sir. It is only telling that 80% marks. 80% marks will be taken from final exam and quiz out of that 2 quiz, and rest of the thing will be calculated as a bonus and graded assignment marks. 10% marks will be they will be taking from graded assignment. So out of 80% marks, so what will be the percentage of quiz mark and what will be the percentage of 60, 20, something like that?
It is 20, 30 and 40. Q1 20, Q3 30 and intern
is 40.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, one more thing. There is a thread on this course Ishan sir has posted about the feedback for the quiz 2 and as well as on EMQ things. So please give feedback on the discourse because it will help us to finding the whether whether we have to include the EMQ things further or not. Okay, so because by the EMQ things you are getting the concept. You are able to differentiate between combination and permutation, right? When events simultaneous, not simultaneous, order matter, doesn't not matters, and all things permutation is used and combination is used. So your feedback will be very helpful for us. So please give the feedback on the discourse, as well as how was helpful the textbook of week 5 and week 6.
The sessions and the textbook were very helpful. Not even one question was outside of it, so it was easy for me to understand and answer the questions
by the textbook and all things, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, textbook was quite good, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. If possible, please release week 7 and 8 also.
Okay, I think we will try. Actually, we have to write and all things. We have to do and all things.
Try something for
we are try. We will try, and we are there.